Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve defined finger coils on my short natural hair. I decided to work in sections because it's easier. So each section, I started by massaging some of the Curls Blueberry and Mint Tea Scalp Treatment into my hair to help with dryness and itchiness. Next, I used the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner so that I can detangle my hair before styling. This leave-in literally works so well. It makes my hair super soft. Like, I literally love it, you guys. And finally, the star of the show, the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. This product works some serious magic and y'all are about to witness it. I parted the sections into even smaller sections so that I can define each curl individually. As you guys can see, I'm taking and separating the hair as it naturally separates. I'm not too focused on them being even because curls are gonna curl, okay? They're gonna do what they do. So I just kind of separate my hair where it naturally separates and coil away. I repeat the full finger coiling process throughout my whole entire head. This process probably took me about an hour, not too long, because when I part my hair in sections, I usually can work faster. So that's why I recommend you guys do that if you do try this style, working in sections, because it definitely helps. Y'all remember that magic I mentioned? This is it, Chief. This is it. And this is what one side looks like when it is done. I love it. After I finish the finger coiling process, I'm just going to take a pick and fluff out my hair. And for a nice finishing touch, I'm just going to take some Eco Style gel to style my edges. So that is it, you guys. That is how I get defined finger coils. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.